Like, I could be making money off of commercials on YouTube because we have videos 3 hours, 4 hours, sometimes 5 hours long. I don't need that many people to view. I just need a bunch of people to watch for a bunch of minutes, right? And when they watch the recorded stuff, just put it up there. I can make money off YouTube. Problem is, though, is that I have to stop saying certain things or teaching certain things that I do, or else they would take me down. So in order to make the money, I have to make certain, capitulations. And I'm not going to come outside of who I'm called to be. So as much as I would love to do those things, I have to say to myself, as Rich Roddy said, or whatever his name is, I would never sell my soul. And this is why, ultimately, and this is why it's great. See, watch this. You guys don't think about it this way, but as your pastor, especially doing it the Levitical priesthood way, not allowed to have a job, what ultimately happens is this. I work for you. I comprehend it because of the lifestyle that I've chosen for myself and my family. I understood what Dave Chappelle meant when he said, I come to my bosses, I come to you. Remember when he was saying, hey, boycott the Chappelle show? He said, I come to you. I'm asking you to boycott the Chappelle show because you're ultimately who I work for. You're my bosses. Right? Like, I work for you. There's days that I don't feel like doing this, but I work for you. I literally think to myself, man, you know what? What would does Tori need a word today? I think about it like that. Does Latoya need a word today? Right? Right? Does Vicky need a word today? Does Sherry need a word today? What about the babies that watch? Some of the children watch. Does Destin need a word today? Does AJ need a word today? Does Anaya need a word today? Like, I think about this. Does Mary need a word today? Does Moselle need a word today? Does Tamara need a word today? I'm just saying, like, I'm thinking about family. So even when I say, nah, I'm not going to do it right now, like, that's why it's got to take something serious for me to not be on. Because in my mind, I'm like, does Tamar need a word today? This person does that. Like, my family, does Nadine need a word? And I'm sorry, I know I'm going to miss somebody's name, but I'm just being honest with you. I think about there's somebody who would have been in place today who would have found us by scrolling, by going on YouTube, by being on Facebook, by going through podcasts, by being introduced to something that could have been posted. There's somebody who might need some encouragement. Will they get some encouragement? Will they miss something? Like, it drives me. Right? I'm not driven by the things that I have other people. I'm not driven by a paycheck.